How are you doing? So today we're going to quickly and properly show you how to apply silicone sealant in your kitchen. These other videos that take about 3 minutes. This one we're going to quickly do it in about a minute. And as you can see, we're already in the kitchen, so we're going to get going.
Wipe down the entire surface in which you will be caulking. Make sure it's good to go. Protect the surrounding areas in which you will be caulking.
Choose the best sealant on the market.
Get ready to layer.
Begin to caulk. Make sure you are doing it with ease, patience, and focus to ensure that there is no mess or drippage. Finally, let it dry by applying jelly to its other surfaces. This makes a great complement and a wonderful sandwich. And just like that, your kitchen needs are sealed.